When I make chicken like this, there are no leftovers, and everyone keeps asking me for the recipe. Start by adding 2 chicken breasts chopped into cubes in a medium bowl. Next, add 3 whole eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 pinch of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and mix all the ingredients together until incorporated. Now add 100 grams of grated mozzarella cheese, chives to taste, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and mix again. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. This is the right mix. Once you've done that, in a large skillet over medium-low heat, add 1 drizzle of vegetable oil. Once this oil is hot enough, add portions of the chicken mixture we made and shape them into fritters, just like this. Fry on both sides until golden brown. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now get one and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.